Hi everyone, this is Ganesh Dhanokar. Today we are going to learn availability management. Now, in the previous session we have gone through which are the different security management aspects that we need to taken into account, and among them one is availability management. So in today's clip we'll try to understand why the focus should be there on the availability of cloud service. As we are well aware that is there are two actors in this clouds, one is your customer and another one is your cloud service provider. Now in case if the cloud service provider stop providing the service for some time, for some days, what will happen? The customer will get affected by the decision of cloud service provider. Why? Because the application or the service which has been used by the customer, they have used that for what purpose, what we may say, for the business point of view. If cloud service provider stop providing such type of a service for some duration, definitely for that duration that business will get tampered. So this is the reason why there should be an availability of cloud 24/7. The same thing has been said here, that is cloud services are immune to outage. Now definitely though cloud services said that we are going to provide the cloud service 24/7, but for the maintenance point of view, that is outage, they need to pause their service for some duration, for some time, and due to that the severity and the scope of that impact to the customer. Now this outage impacts to the customer and it vary based on your outage situation. Now let us take an example. We are using a banking application on cloud service. So definitely if the outage time is kept by the cloud service provider in the morning, what will happen? Definitely the losses of that specific bank will be more. Why? Because lot of transactions are done in the morning sessions, and if the same outage, if it is kept at late night, definitely the hamper of the banking will be less. Like this the outage can be done, and it is based on the situation. Similarly to any internal IT support applications, business impact, this is the most important, that is business is going to impact due to the service outage and will depend on the criticality of the cloud application and relationship with the business processes. It means it might be the case that some such an application which might not require a lot of interactions with the cloud service that has been hosted on the cloud. In that case the hamper will be less, definitely, like this. So it depends upon the criticality of that specific application which has been hosted on the cloud. Now in case of business critical applications where business really on the continuous availability of service. Now here we have taken an example where the requirement is continuous availability of a service. Now in that case what will happen? Even for few minutes of your service outage can have a serious impact. The case in which we have explained in the banking. So what will happen if we stop our service for the outage for even a minute? It will have a serious impact on the organization's productivity, because everything will stop, and that's why revenue, customer satisfaction will get degraded. So this is the reason why the availability is much more important in cloud services, so that the customer business will not get hampered due to your outage. So we need to schedule such an outage. Duration of the outage should be in such a way so that bare minimum distraction will be there for the service to the customer, and customer will get satisfied by the service which we have provided. Now, according to the cloud computing incidents database, which tracks cloud service outage, the major cloud service provider has suffered downtime ranging from few minutes to hours. It means it depends. It is not the case that every cloud service will require the outage time of a minute of or hour. It might be the case for some services we may make up our that service within a minute. For some services it may be the requirement that to make up it once again it may take hours, or it might be the case that outage may be more than 24 hours. It might be the case for some circumstance, if accidents happens with the infrastructure or something else, due to which the service could not be provided by the cloud service provided to the customer. In that case, the business will hamper a little bit more. Now again, it depends upon the severity of the accident, the thing which I have just said. What exactly happened due to which this outage has came in existence, it depends upon the same. And scope of the infrastructure, that is scope of the affected infrastructure, what exactly has been affected by that accident. This outage may be affect to all of the subset of customers. Now it